if you're like me, you probably like a really good bargain. And a lot of times you can go to a thrift store and find something that somebody else has gotten rid of and something that you can make perfect for your home. So in this video, I am going to be sharing what I have found recently in the thrift stores nearby. That way you guys can get some ideas. Hey everyone, this is Yummy, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I like to share inexpensive home decor and DIY tutorials to make your house beautiful on a budget. I also host a monthly challenge called the Look for Less Challenge, where I ask you all to recreate a higher end designer piece from a home decor store and recreate it for a whole lot less. And if that sounds something that is right up your alley, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. Now, as you can see, I am actually sitting down on the floor in this video because I have several things that I have purchased all laid out in front of me, and I thought this was probably the best way to share them with you guys. I haven't been able to purchase a lot because honestly we have been under renovations and I don't want to accumulate too many things, but every once in a while it's kind of nice to venture out and see what you can find. Okay, so for my first item I bought was this beautiful basket that you see right here. It is perfectly fine. There's no issues with it, and I like the size of it and the color and the shape. I love everything about it. I've actually been collecting baskets for a while now. I don't have that many, but I have seen those beautiful gallery walls with a whole bunch of like wicker baskets on them, and I kind of want to create my own. So we'll see if I end up getting enough for it, but I thought this would either look pretty on a table, but it also would look really pretty sewing a liner on it and then maybe even using it to like hold fresh breads. So I thought this was really pretty. It only cost me $1.99. The tag came off, but yeah, this was only $2 and I love it. I think it's so pretty. Speaking of baskets, I told you I've been collecting them. I found this itty bitty little one for 99 cents. And I think it's perfect. There's no issues with it at all whatsoever. I like the color. I like the pattern that it has. It's so pretty. And yeah, I think this, you know, up against the wall with like different varying baskets, which just looks so nice. And yeah, so I got this one to add to my round basket stash. And one thing that caught my eye, and I don't like the color whatsoever, I will be changing it, is this enamel strainer. I love it. I love all like the little chippiness that it has to it. All of these little holes right here are kind of chipped on the inside, and I want to paint it solid white. And I'm hoping, I have an idea of how to possibly save these parts from getting painted. So I'm gonna test that out and see if it works. Obviously, once I spray paint it, it's not gonna be food safe. So I'm just gonna be using it for decor purposes only. But I just thought it was such a cute little size for like fake lemons, or any other kind of like decorations for like the kitchen, or even hanging it up on a wall. I love how it was, and it was only $2, and all I need to do is change the color. So I thought that was another really cute find. Also, I don't know why, but I'm a little obsessed with finding small urns like this. I don't know why. I just think they're adorable. I shared another haul a few months ago that I had a black one and I transformed it. So this one was obviously going to be another transformation because I'm not particularly fond with the color of it. And this one also cost $1.99. I think it's absolutely adorable, but I'm just not a fan of this dark color. So we'll see what I end up doing with it. I think it's so cute. One little thing that I got for 99 cents was this little candlestick right here. There's nothing wrong with it. It has no chips or anything, and it's pretty simple. For $1, I was like, okay, I think I can make this work for something. I had an idea for it. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But at the end of the day, if it doesn't, I'll just paint it and I'll use it as a candlestick. But I was wanting to transform this into something else. We'll see if that works out. Not sure yet. Something else that caught my eye was these two pieces. Now, they were sold together. They were saran wrapped together, and they were laid out like this. So it looked like, you know, like a tall planter or bowl or something. It's metal, and it does need to be like fixed on a couple areas. Looks like it was already painted once, So I'll need to sand this down, paint it, or yeah, sand it, clean it off, and then repaint it to see what I'll do. I don't know if I'm gonna maybe do two things out of it or actually glue it together and make it one. I'm not sure, but I think it just looks so pretty like that. Anyways, this one cost me, it was $1.99. So $2 for two little things, and it is a candle holder, as you can see. And this just happens to be a bowl. I guess they thought that they went together, so I kind of scored. Two for the price of one. And the last small item that I bought was this right here. I don't know why it caught my eye, but I couldn't leave the store without it. It also cost me $1.99. I love all of the detail. I love the little handles, the little feet, but I don't like the color. So it's gotta get cleaned out. It's kind of dirty in there. And I am gonna be repainting it, refinishing it, and making it a really pretty color. But I thought that this for like a planter, for like different little faux plants on it would be so cute. And yeah, so I went ahead and got it. Just love those. And the last item that I got is this piece that you see behind me right here. Now this only cost me $30. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace, and it's a campaign style bookcase and desk. So it's got a hidden secretary that I'll show you guys in just a second. But I thought for $30, it was a pretty good deal. I kind of needed a little bit of extra storage up here in the area where I'm kind of crafting, and I thought it would be nice for the kids to have a desk to be near me whenever I'm crafting and they're doing their homework. I was really excited to have found this. It is solid wood. It is super heavy. It has a couple of imperfections here or there, but I figured it is an older piece. I only got it for $3. It'll be okay. So I was really proud of this find. I love all of the brass little details, and it has all of the ones that it came with, as well as the cute little pools. And the inside of the desk is perfect. My son has already done some homework on it, and he enjoys being up here with me doing homework while I do my work. So it's kind of nice. And I actually like the color. I don't plan on painting it. I really love the stain it has on it. I love the brass and how it's already been aged. So I think I will leave this like this for a while. So that's my latest haul. I know it wasn't a huge haul, but I really do like some of the items, and I can't wait to transform them. Also, really quick, I wanted to announce that I will be collaborating with my dear friend Casey over at Coffee with My Sunshine. She has a Create Trash to Treasure challenge, and this month I am going to be hosting it with her. So on the 29th of January, be on the lookout for that video where I am going to be recreating some items that I've had around, and I will be making it into treasure. So that's going to be fun. Definitely check out her channel. She is so sweet, and she started this challenge, and the stuff that she comes up with out of the most randomest things is pretty amazing. So definitely check out Coffee with My Sunshine, and we will be doing that collaboration on the 29th. So if you enjoyed this small thrift haul, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and tell me which one of these thrifted items was your favorite, or the one you're most excited to see be transformed. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.